Hi, this is Schulthies. Welcome to Success Tips. As a sales consultant, you've probably heard your sales manager tell you to slow the customer down. Is that what your sales manager really meant, or was it that they wanted you to gain a little gentle control and composure with your customer? There are several ways in which you can gently guide a customer. First, always give your customer what they want. If they want to know what their vehicle might be worth as a trade-in, start your dealership's appraisal process. A formal appraisal will take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes or more, which would provide you the time you need to start guiding your customer through your dealership sales process. If your customer demands to know what the best price is on a specific vehicle, reassure them that you appreciate the opportunity to work out an attractive proposal and that you'll get right to it. Share with your customer that in order for you to get a best price and payment options, the sales manager will want to know if you have together selected a vehicle from the current inventory or one arriving from the factory. Invite your customer back to your desk to search inventory. Again, this buys you a little time to start the discovery process. In both scenarios, you are moving the customer forward by providing them with what they want, which in turn will allow you to guide them through your dealership sales process. It's ultimately up to your sales manager to decide what trade-in value or best price will be offered and when it'll be offered during your customer's visit. So don't put that stress on yourself. Simply take gentle control of your customer by reassuring them that they will get what they want during their time with you. Another way to gain gentle control and composure in a selling situation is to be forthcoming with information by answering questions, but then ask questions in return. For example, during a vehicle presentation, your customer asks, "What's the horsepower?" Answer the question and then come back with a related question. For example, "Sarah, this 2-liter turbo generates an impressive 185 horsepower. Is horsepower important to you for merging and passing, towing, or just the feeling of power and speed?" Progressing the conversation with questions now allows you to gently guide the customer and gently control the selling situation. Here's another example. Early on in the dealership visit, your customer asks if you can do any better on the sale price. Answer the question and then follow up and provide direction. For example, "James, actually the vehicle is competitively priced and there are low finance and lease rates or a cash back you can choose from to make owning this vehicle extremely affordable." Option 1. "While you're here today, can I show you some of the various payment options on this vehicle as well as the interest savings?" Option 2. "What vehicle are you currently driving? Could we provide you with a certified appraisal on your vehicle? It's free and there's no obligation." At this point, take a walk to customer parking and view your customer's trade-in. Option 3. "Let's head back to my desk and I'll get you more information and select a vehicle in inventory that will check your boxes and your research. Please follow me." In review, your takeaways from the success tip are as follows. 1. In order to gain gentle control of a selling situation, simply give your customers what they want, and they will ultimately give you what you want. 2. Another way to gain gentle control in a selling situation is to be forthcoming with information by answering questions and then ask questions and provide a direction. Wye Management offers both live and online training workshops and in-dealership training. To view additional video success tips and learn about our various programs, visit wyemanagement.com. Thank you for watching. I'm Schulthies.